Hey everyone, I hope you are doing good in your career and your lives. So myself Karan Rana, I am full stack developer with the experience of 3 years with the working on the multiple tech stacks like Sponge Stack, Spring Boot Java and full .NET stack. So today in this video, I am going to introduce you something and interesting facts about an AI or a tool. So today in this video I'm talking about an AI. It's not about an AI that will take the jobs of someone or it will take in the humanity. It's an AI that will make your life better, make your development better and make you a smart developer. So what is an actually PureCode AI? So PureCode AI is actually a platform or a tool or a extension of VS Code, just like the GitHub Copilot. As we know that GitHub Copilot is an tool that will allow recommendation of the code. Similarly, for the PureCode AI is a platform where we have to write simple generative or descriptive command in English language, and it will generate the all the codes and the UI in just a minute. That will not take so much time, and it will reduce your time and it will make your time manageable. Let's go toward the PureCode AI platform and let's check it out. What are its cool features? This is already much interesting. You can see the gradient field on the UI or some on the website. So let's check out each thing step by step. So you can see in the first thing it is written that it is an AI generated UI on demand. That means you can on demand generate the UI by simply writing the description in English, and you can generate the UI for you. Next, you can generate, iterate, and export production ready UI component code and design. And you can see that it actually uses the most modern based framework that is actually used by the small startup to large startup, from bigger MNCs to larger MNCs. Here is the React plus MUI, React plus Tailwind, HTML plus Bootstrap, HTML plus Tailwind. Actually uses the most modern based frameworks for the styling as well as the front end development. And generally, this video is mostly focused on the front-end developers because it will make the development of the front-end developers smooth, and they will not be complex with the UI. They will not face any error when developing an UI. With this tool, they can easily generate that AI UI for their works. You can see in the below examples, there is a responsive dark theme survey dashboard with the following details. We can design a pricing plan section with a header and get an attractive price here. Also generate a chat UI component with a sidebar listing contact showing each person avatar. You can also write a checkout page. Let's click on the checkout page. Or you can click on the you can also create a shopping cart page with rating and sizes in the top and at the bottom part. Let's click on this. So it will take time to generate. Let's go back to that site, check other of the things. So in the below you can check out this features of the PureCode AI platform, each one of them step by step. The first feature is that you can generate component from the text description. That means you have to describe the UI that you want the UI component to look like and do, and PureCode AI will generate and render the code that you want, that you can directly edit it. Next feature is that you can create or upload your own theme, or you can customize your theme from the scratch. Next, you can fast and AG update. That means upon generation with the speed and accuracy, you can directly select the part of the render components and edit entering the new text description. That means you can select and edit any section within the component effortlessly. Next, you can directly integrate with your VS Code and you can use it for that. And this is one of the most coolest feature of this platform. And one of the most coolest features that it can directly generate the UI upon your component, and that means your name is suppose ABC. It will first show your name and it will generate a component for you. So that's the most coolest feature of this. Next thing is that you can see actually in the many AI platform you can get the code is actually not clean or something, but in this platform the code is already production ready. You can directly ready to ship code that will you can directly use it in your production ready applications. How can you get that? You can start this by taking a 7-day trial period. After trial period is over, you can satisfied with the platform, you can directly take the package. Actually, what is the actually working behind the pure code AI? The generative AI, they are working behind the pure code AI platform. So for the individual developer, freelancer, and student who want to code the front end faster and happier, they can take the package of $19 per month and start a trial period of. And for the bigger organization that want to speed up their front end development with the added support and security and functionality, they can take the enterprise edition and use it for their organization to grow and speed up their front end development. The below description you can find more of the things that you can generate tailwind forms, you can find generate MUI cards, forms, model, header, tailwind headers, all of the thing in just one AI tool. So this is the how more amazing platform that I've got, and I've been using AI in the development for the last year. So I highly recommend to use this tool for your front end development, and that will make you AI developer with the AI developer with the front end expertise. So, so let's understand how can you install PureCode AI in VS Code, and how can you generate the user interface by installing the PureCode AI in VS Code. Let's go to the extension. First search PureCode AI, that is the PureCode PureCode AI. Wait for a second. So you can see that it is an tool that will boost your React development, and it will generate the AI driven code, and it integrates seamlessly with the Material UI plus Tailwind CSS. As I've already installed that, the PureCode I already have the subscription. So you have to just do first you have to log into your VS Code. Next you have to search in the extension that PureCode AI. It will come first in the list. Install that. Now, when you install that PureCode AI in VS Code, you can get this type of icon, that PC, in your VS Code in the right side or left side of the VS Code. Click on that. Wait for some second. You can get this type of interface in the VS Code. Now, what you have to generate, let's take an example that we have to generate a sign up page with email, password, and social media button. Let's copy that, paste that, click on generate. Wait for some second. You can see that it will generate the component name by my name, that is Karan. Wait for some more second. One more second, let's wait for that. So you can see that the UI is already generated, and you can see that code is already there and the preview is already there. So you have the sign up page with an email ID and password, and a sign up button with the social media sign ups, that like sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, and sign up with Twitter. Now click on the code. You can see the code is already written and already have the Fabico icon already imported there. No need to worry about the Fabico icons. And the year states has been handled. UI has been responsive. The UI, you can see the UI is already responsive, and the code is already good, and code quality is already clean and directly used in the production process, in the production development. So that's how you can install PureCode AI in the VS Code by simple three steps. So I'm just attaching the PureCode AI website link plus the VS Code extension link. You have to just click in the link description below and start using the PureCode AI in your VS Code.